How to say if someone checked your location on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can see if someone checked your location on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to see if someone checked your location on Snapchat, what you have to do is first of all go ahead and open the Snapchat app, right? So let me describe to you what the issue is. If I just come to the Snap Map icon from the bottom left, and then if you enable your friend's location or if you enable your location, people will most likely be able to view your Snapchat location, right? So let me go ahead and do that now, and then once I enable my location, people will actually be able to view my location, and I will also be able to view other people's location. So will the other person know that I have checked their location? Well, the answer is no. So if someone checks your location as well, you will not be able to know. Snapchat currently does not offer you such kind of feature where you can check who has checked your location. You can actually turn off your location if you don't want other people to see it by just tapping on the gear icon from the top right and then just enabling the location services. And then once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and enable ghost mode over here. Just tap on it, just turn on ghost mode, and then no one else will be able to view your location. But keep in mind that if you have not enabled ghost mode and other people check your location, they will not be able to notify, or you will also not be able to know that someone has actually checked your location. So just keep that in mind. So if someone has checked your location, you will not be able to know as well. This is the simple thing on Snapchat itself. So hope this video cleared the confusion. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.